Aristotle was born around 384 BCE in Stagira, a small town in Macedonia. His father, Nicomachus, served as the royal doctor to King Amyntas III, which provided Aristotle with a unique perspective on the natural world and human health from an early age. Growing up in this environment, he was exposed to the intricacies of medicine and the importance of empirical observation. These early influences played a crucial role in shaping his philosophical outlook, fostering a curiosity about the nature of existence and the principles governing life. Aristotle's formative years in Macedonia not only laid the groundwork for his later studies, but also instilled in him a desire to seek knowledge, ultimately leading him to become one of the most influential philosophers in history. He studied under Plato and later became the tutor of Alexander the Great, shaping the course of history. Hired by King Philip II of Macedonia, Aristotle educated the young prince in various subjects, including philosophy, science, and ethics. This mentorship instilled in Alexander a profound appreciation for knowledge and culture, influencing his future conquests as he sought to spread Hellenistic ideals across the known world. The values and principles imparted by Aristotle guided Alexander's leadership style and vision, emphasizing the importance of wisdom in governance. This connection not only elevated Alexander's legacy as a conqueror, but also solidified Aristotle's reputation as a pivotal figure in education and philosophy, demonstrating how mentorship can profoundly impact both student and teacher throughout history. Aristotle established the Lyceum in Athens around 335 BCE as a center for philosophical inquiry and education, aiming to promote a systematic approach to knowledge. The Lyceum served as a school where students could engage in discussions and explore various subjects, including ethics, politics, and natural sciences. The term peripatetics derives from the Greek word for walking, reflecting Aristotle's practice of teaching while strolling through the Lyceum's gardens. This method encouraged dynamic dialogue and critical thinking among students. The influence of the Lyceum on education and philosophy was profound, as it became a model for future academic institutions. Aristotle's emphasis on empirical observation and logical reasoning laid the groundwork for scientific inquiry, shaping the trajectory of Western thought for centuries to come. Aristotle viewed philosophy as a pursuit of practical wisdom, emphasizing the importance of understanding the workings of life. He believed that philosophy should not be merely theoretical, but should guide individuals in their daily actions and decisions. Central to his inquiries were concepts of happiness and the good life, which he defined as achieving eudaimonia, or human flourishing. For Aristotle, this state of fulfillment is attained through the cultivation of virtues such as courage, temperance, and justice. He argued that living a virtuous life enables individuals to navigate challenges and make ethical choices, ultimately leading to a more meaningful existence. By integrating philosophy with practical wisdom, Aristotle provided a framework for understanding how to live well and achieve true happiness in a complex world. In the Nicomachean Ethics, named after his son Nicomachus, Aristotle delves into the nature of happiness and its significance in human life. The title reflects Aristotle's intention to impart wisdom to his son, emphasizing the importance of ethical living. Within this work, he identifies 11 virtues, including courage, temperance, and justice, which serve as essential qualities for achieving a fulfilling life. Central to Aristotle's virtue ethics is the concept of the golden mean, which posits that virtue lies between two extremes, excess and deficiency. For instance, courage is the mean between recklessness and cowardice. By advocating for balance and moderation, Aristotle illustrates that true happiness is attained not through indulgence, but through the cultivation of virtues, guiding individuals toward a harmonious and meaningful existence. In his seminal work, Poetics, Aristotle explores the nature of art with a particular focus on tragedy. He defines tragedy as an imitation of serious action that evokes emotions of pity and fear in the audience. Central to his analysis are the concepts of peripeteia and anagnorisis. Peripeteia refers to a sudden reversal of fortune, while anagnorisis signifies a moment of recognition or revelation for the protagonist. These elements are crucial in storytelling, as they heighten emotional engagement and deepen the narrative's impact. Aristotle argues that the purpose of tragedy is to achieve catharsis, a process through which audiences experience a purging of emotions, leading to a sense of renewal and understanding. Through tragedy, Aristotle highlights the profound connection between art and human experience, emphasizing its role in emotional and moral reflection. Aristotle identifies three types of friendship in his ethical writings: friendships of utility, friendships of pleasure, and true friendships, or friendships of virtue. Friendships of utility are based on mutual benefit, while friendships of pleasure arise from shared enjoyment and enjoyment of each other's company. However, true friendship, according to Aristotle, is the highest form, rooted in mutual respect and admiration for each other's character. This type of friendship is essential for personal growth, as it encourages individuals to strive for virtue and moral excellence. True friends support one another in their pursuit of the good life, fostering a deep connection that enhances well-being. Ultimately, Aristotle emphasizes that genuine friendships contribute significantly to a fulfilling life, providing emotional support, joy, and a sense of belonging in the human experience. Aristotle made significant contributions to the art of rhetoric, particularly through his observations on public debate in Athens, where persuasive speaking was vital in civic life. He recognized that effective rhetoric involves not just the speaker's skill, but also the audience's perception and the context of the argument. In his seminal work, Rhetoric, Aristotle outlined key principles of effective persuasion, including the use of ethos, credibility, pathos, emotional appeal, and logos, logical reasoning. These elements are essential for crafting compelling arguments that resonate with audiences. Today, Aristotle's insights remain highly relevant in contemporary discourse, influencing fields such as politics, law, and marketing. Understanding these principles equips individuals to communicate more effectively, fostering informed discussions and enhancing the quality of public dialogue in our increasingly complex society. In this video, we explored the enduring significance of Aristotle's philosophy in modern life, highlighting how his insights into ethics, happiness, and friendship remain relevant today. We discussed the importance of cultivating virtues and the different types of friendships, encouraging viewers to reflect on these aspects in their own lives. Aristotle's teachings remind us that true fulfillment comes from meaningful connections and the pursuit of moral excellence. As we conclude, we invite you to consider how you can apply these timeless principles to enhance your well-being and relationships. If you enjoyed this exploration of Aristotle's ideas, please subscribe, like, and share this video for further discussions on philosophy and its impact on our lives. Your engagement helps us continue this journey of discovery together.